How to use Uber Cash on Uber Eats. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how you will be able to use Uber Cash on Uber Eats. So go ahead and open your browser and type Uber Eats. You will be directed to this home page. On the top left corner of the screen, you will see three horizontal lines. Click on that. And over here, you will see the option of wallet in the third section. If you are using the app, go to the account section and then choose the wallet tab. Ensure that your payment method is displayed and click on add payment method if necessary. Follow the prompts to successfully add it. Afterwards, navigate to the wallet tab where you will find the option to add funds. Select this, choose your payment method, specify the amount to add and then confirm. Your balance will be prepared for your next ride or meal. Users can also enable auto refill for added convenience. You can utilize this balance when requesting a ride or making an order on Uber Eats. Remember to choose Uber Cash as your payment method during checkout. Switching to Uber Cash in the payment section is straightforward and convenient for regular users. And that's how you use Uber Cash on Uber Eats. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.